Dean from Maple Fall, just here to talk to you about Surf and Learn Maldives trip 2018. What an absolute incredible trip. We had surf anywhere between 4 to 6 foot for the whole week we were there. Some of the better waves I've ever surfed in my entire life, to be quite honest. And the Maldives, what an incredible place, and what a place to kind of learn about business systems and meeting a good crew of guys who get out there and kind of challenge and face the similar challenges to what you do every day, and how they tackle them. What can I say? Get out there, go to this trip. It's well worth the tax benefit. See you on board.